In today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer money from Starling Bank to PayPal. Now, let me tell you, as of the moment, you cannot directly transfer money from Starling Bank to PayPal as you would between two bank accounts. Instead, what you need to do is link the Starling to PayPal first, then pull funds from Starling into your PayPal balance. How do we do it? First, we need to link the Starling to PayPal. You can link either your Starling debit card or your Starling bank account details by going to the wallet section here on PayPal. And then scroll down until you find the link a bank, click on it, and then you want to make sure to enter all the information needed here. Before you can proceed, you want to make sure to get all of the information needed, and you need to log in to your Starling bank account and get all of these. Because if you are using a Starling debit card, you need to enter the 16-digit card number, expiry date, and the CVV. Now, if you are using the bank account, enter your Starling account number and sort code. PayPal may verify with small test deposits, and then now when you go back to the main dashboard, you can simply click the transfer funds or transfer money. You can add your money to your balance if you are successful in connecting Starlink to your PayPal. Remember to select your linked Starling account or a card number, enter the amount and confirm, and then what will happen is you should be able to transfer money from Starling Bank to PayPal. And basically, that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you again in the next video.